going to take you guys through the process of how I bleach my knots so that all my wigs are undetectable.
Using Clairol Professional's new BW2 Plus, we're going to start by applying our 40 volume developer and letting that sit for 40 minutes to allow it to weaken our knots. Taking your 30 volume developer and your BW2 Plus powder, you're going to mix until you get a thick toothpaste-like consistency. This will allow the bleach to expand properly to cover all of your knots. Clairol Professional's BW2 Plus ensures control and clear visibility at every step. This makes it super easy to check the progress of my knots while it's processing. You're going to let this sit and process for about an hour and a half, and these will be your results. Not a knot in sight. You can see the before and after. Use Clairol Professional's Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and apply your wig as normal. BW2 Plus provides an effortless lift, allowing your wigs to lay seamlessly. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Look at the material here. BW2 Plus made this process so easy, I can already tell this will be my go-to. Shop Clairol Professional's new BW2 Plus now.